So this is what the inside of Tinkercad looks like. It's a little bit like Minecraft and a little bit like digital Lego. And what I can do in here is I can be extremely creative and I can build whatever I like. And what I do is I build things on my work plane. So you can see this big blue square right in front of us. This is our work plane. This is what we build on. So think of it almost like a Lego base where you put your blocks on to build. This is a digital version of that. Now I can change the view of my work plane. So right now I'm looking at the front, but if I want to look at a top view, I use this square over here and I just move it around to where it says top, and now I can see the top of my plane. If I want to go back to down, I just move it back to where it says front. If I want to see the bottom, then I can scroll it around and move to bottom, and again back to top. And then if I want to see the front, say I want to see the side, so that's the right side and that's the left side. So I can use that to control what I'm looking at, and that helps me with my building. You'll notice this plus is the zoom in, so I can zoom in so I can really have a good look at what I'm building, and this one here is the zoom out. The other thing that you'll notice is over here, this is your blocks or the things that you can use to build. So there's lots and lots of things that are available inside Tinkercad. So this is the basic shapes, and you'll see if I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of 3D shapes and things like that. And if I want to use one of those, so let's go with the box, I just click on it and drag and drop it onto the work plane, and you can see it's on there now. And if I want to make it bigger, so I just drag the little side things over there, or smaller, again, drag it and do it like that. If I want to change the color, so right now it's red. If I click on the red, I can actually pick and make it pink or whatever color that I like. And then I can add another element on top if I like, or next to, or beside, and you can see they're sort of connected that way. So I can build things in that way. I can change the options as well. So these are just shapes, but if I use this little drop down here, I have options of all these other things that I can include. So there's text and numbers. So if I want to put letter A, for example, on my board, I can, and I can make it bigger like that. Scrolling down, there's all sorts of letters. There's all sorts of numbers. If I wanted to put the number 5, again, just place it on the board and then drag it out. Other options include characters. So there's things like these kind of cool things here, like I can add an ice cream, for example. So I'm just going to pop my ice cream there, or an astrobot. Let's just place, there he is, and I can change the size and things like that. I can add connectors, so I can try and connect pieces together. So I might put that there, and then so I can connect that bit, and then maybe pick up my 5 and move it so it's connected to the connector, etc. So see how creative you can be, and see if you can use this space and the things on this space to build either the beanstalk from Jack and the Beanstalk, or a crane to help Jack come up and down the beanstalk, or if you want, you can maybe even build the giant's house or the giant's living room. So this is an opportunity to be creative and have a go at designing something in this space using the things, the elements that are available. Can't wait to see what you come up with. And don't forget, when you finish, you can take a screenshot of your creation and pop it into Seesaw. Okay, bye.